In this video, I will go through with you web hosting cPanel. When you register for a web hosting account, normally they will provide you with a cPanel access to control certain settings of your hosting plan. So let's go to your web hosting cPanel login. Just type in your username and password. In your cPanel dashboard, you will see a lot of different sections like preference, mail, files, logs, security, domains, database. So you are not going to use each and every one of them, but some of the features that have over here might be useful to you. So I will go through those features with you. The first one is the email accounts. Let's say you register a domain name abc.com. So it will be better for you to create a new email account like contact me alias abc.com instead of having a public email account at Gmail or Hotmail. So to create a new email account, you just come to this section mail, click on the email accounts, type in the email that you want to have. Maybe I want to have like contact me socialmediaplugin.com, so I just put a password, then just create an account. That's all. The email account already created. It's very simple. Let's go back to the cPanel again. Under the session mail, there's another features called forwarders. So forwarders is useful when you have many email accounts and you want to forward all the email accounts into one common email accounts. To add in a new forwarders, just click on the forwarders. So let's say I just click on the add forwarders. Let's say I want to redirect this email account to the new email account I just created. And just click the add forwarders. So the forwarders already created. Next time any email sent to this email account admin exercise to increase vertical.com, it will be forwarded to this email address. To read the emails accounts, those emails for the email account that you created, you can just come to this mail section under the Webmail, then log in. And you can just continue, click on this read mail using this order, squirrel or round cube. Let's go back to the cPanel again. Another useful feature is the file manager. So under this session files, click on the file managers. You can select any domain directory that you want to have, and you can actually upload or download files from here. So it's very simple. So let's say if I want to upload a picture to this domain name, I can just click upload, browse for files, maybe just a picture, and it will start upload. It's completed. So the file manager is like a FTP feature studio. You can download and upload files to your web hosting servers. Another useful features in the cPanel is logs. So if you want to know the statistics of your website, like how many visitors come to your website, where did they come from, AW Stacks is the best place for you to check out. Just click on the AW Stacks and click on the website that you want to check the traffic. So from the statistics here, you can know how many visitors come to your website, where did they come from, and all other important information to you. Let's go back to the cPanel again. Okay, another useful features here is the domains. Under the domains, you can see there's a subdomains and add-on domains. Let me give you a simple explanation on add-on domains and subdomains. Let's say you own a domain account abc.com and you register a hosting plan for abc.com. So normally your hosting plan will allow you to add on more domain names to your hosting accounts. So if I have a second domain like efg.com, I can actually add in that domain name into the same hosting plan. So to do that, I just click on add on domains. I put in my new domain name efg.com and put in the password. And click the add domains. Sorry, the password seems like wrong. Okay, click on the add domain. And you will have this new domain name efg.com hosted under the same hosting plan as your domain name abc.com. But the important point here is also you need to make sure that in your domain registrar in the efg.com, you need to point to the same name server for this hosting account. So what's a subdomains? So subdomains is useful if you want to use a website and create multiple pages on it. If you own a generic web page okay, let's say I have a website called productreview.com, so I can have hundreds of different products. Then I can actually create for each product I create a sub pages. I can create like handphone.productreviews.com, or I can have tv.productreviews.com, radio.productreviews.com. To do that, you just need to add in a subdomains to your main domain names. So let's create a subdomains. You click on the subdomains. Let's say you just click on the domain name that you want to have a subdomain to. Let's say maybe this social media plugin, I want to have like a subdomain called Facebook. Let's just create. Now I have a new subdomains for this website. You can just go to browse this website. Let's see what we have. Yeah, this is the new page. So I not yet designed anything for the website, but you can just set out the website by adding in the new subdomains. So you can have like multiple pages under one same domain names. Let's go back to the cPanel again. Another useful features under the domain is what we call the redirects. So sometimes you own a domain names and you want to redirect the domain names to a certain website. This may be useful if sometimes you want to just register a cheap like .info domain names and redirect those domain names to affiliate websites. To do this, just come to redirect. Click on the domain name that you want to direct. So I can put this website, socialmediabargain.com, redirect to yahoo.com. It's possible. So just click this radio button, both with www or without www. Just click add. So that let's try again. If I put in this social media login.com, let's see whether, yeah, it will go to yahoo.com. So it works. Let's go back. The next one, that the next important features is the SQL database. Sometimes you will need to have to create a new SQL database for a WordPress website. So for the details of how to create a new MySQL database, I have another videos to show you, so you can check for the other videos. That's all for important features for cPanels.